Hi, today I'm going to show you how to solve problem 22 from the 2018 Math Kangaroo grades 5 to 6. Here's the problem. 5 balls A, B, C, D, and E weigh 30, 50, 50, 50, and 80 grams each, not necessarily in that order. Which ball weighs 30 grams? So we see here that the weights of C and D is more than the weight of A and B, the weight of E and B is more than the weight of A and C, and the weight of A and D is equal to the weight of E, C, and B. And so here we have 2 balls and 3 balls, and we know the weights are equal. So that seems like helpful information that we can use to figure out some of these weights here. So if we look, we have 3 50s, a 30, and an 80. And since on this side we only have 2 balls and on this side we have 3, we're going to want to have bigger weights for these two so that it would equal 3 smaller weights. So let's say 50 and 80 are A and D, not necessarily 50 is A, but like either one. Could be 50, either one could be 80, but both of them are going to be 50 and 80. And that would be 130 total. And we're choosing those because those are the biggest 2 weights. So that's the biggest we could get with just 2 weights. And then the other 3 are going to be 50, 50, and 30. And that also gives a sum of 130 total. So these two have to be 50 and 80. These two have to be 50, 50, and 30. That works. So I will mark. Then we can move on to our next diagram here. And we have E and B weighs more than A and C. So E and B are both in from here. So the most that they can weigh is 100 because they could be 50 and 50. And if they weigh less than that, that wouldn't work out because then it would be weighing 80 and whatever would be left would be 50 plus, even if A is only 50, that would be 100, which would be more. So we're going to want to maximize these two and have them be 50 and 50. And then here we'll have 30, that's the C that's left over, and 50, which is the smallest A can be. And we want to make it that small. In order to make this work, that's the only way we can align this. And so we already know that C is 30. A can't be 30 because we know A has to be one of these two. And we can still double check that the same thing holds for this, that would still work. So A would be 50 and B would be 50, that's 100. C is 30 and D is 80 because A is 50, and that's 110. So that's heavier, and so this works, and the answer is C. Thank you.